Welcome back, guys. Today's video is on abbreviations and their meaning in mobile repairs. Let's enjoy this wonderful video. Let's go. Let's start with 4G, which means fourth generation in mobile telephony. Next, we have CDMA, which is also known as Code Division Multiple Access. We have the CPU, which is Central Processing Unit, known as the brain. We have DCT, Digital Core Technology. This is for your processor units. We have FM, which is known as frequency modulation. Next up, we have GSM, which stands for Global System for Mobile Network. We have the IC, which is known as Integrated Circuit. They are found on the motherboard. We have LCDs, which is also known as Liquid Crystal Display. Under your LCD, we have the IPS, which is a good screen. We also have LEDs. These are light emitting diodes, which are your AMOLED, OLED, and so on. We have PFO, which is known as Power Frequency Oscillator. We have RAM, Random Access Memory. This is what makes your phone run smoothly for your daily usage. We have ROM, Read Only Memory. This is known as the storage of the phone where you store your information. We have TX and RX, which means transmitter and receiver of a device. The last but not the least, we have SMD, Surface Mounted Device. These are little components mounted to your motherboard. Okay guys, we have come to the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day.